Here I have OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and then go to the watermark. So here you can enable or disable, to use custom watermark you have to first enable phone model, other ones are not essential, and here you can add your own custom text up to 20 characters. So I'm gonna enter my favorite YouTube channel name, and now as you can see my photos are marked with the watermark like this, device name and also my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.